Imagine getting paged at 3 a.m. because your app is overwhelmed with traffic and you need to manually scale up pods. There's a better way. A Horizontal Pod Autoscaler, or HPA, is a Kubernetes resource that automatically scales the number of pod replicas in a deployment, replica set, or stateful set based on observed metrics. It continuously monitors your workload and adjusts the replica count to match demand. HPA commonly uses CPU utilization and memory as scaling metrics. These are built-in metrics that Kubernetes exposes through the metrics server. You can also use custom metrics from your application or external metrics from services like Prometheus. Scaling happens when metrics cross target thresholds. If CPU usage exceeds your target percentage, HPA scales up by adding pods. When usage drops below the target, it scales down by removing pods. This keeps your application responsive during traffic spikes while saving resources during quiet periods. You configure HPA with minimum and maximum replica bounds to prevent overscaling or under-provisioning. The target metric, like 50% CPU, tells HPA when to scale. This example shows an HPA targeting a deployment with 2 to 10 replicas, scaling based on CPU. So remember, Horizontal Pod Autoscaler automatically adjusts your pod count based on metrics like CPU and memory, keeping your apps running smoothly. Practice explaining this concept and you'll nail your Kubernetes interview. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.